Hoping you all are doing fine. So in this video, we'll discuss about how we can easily start our CMA practicing firm and what important aspect we need to consider before starting a CMA practicing firm. In this video with three practical example, it will be more convenient and beneficial for you to understand how we can easily start our CMA practicing firm. So my suggestion to those students who want to start their own practicing firm during their study, so they need to start their articleship with a practicing firm where they need to learn as much as possible the aspect of cost audit or GST audit. Okay, this will be beneficial during the work when they are going to start their practicing firm. After the completion of final examination, every student need to appear in campus placement. Okay, if they get opportunity in campus placement, that is good. 2 or 3 years they can work in you can say organization, and they have to collect a huge amount of fund, so that as you know that whenever we are going to start a practicing firm in early days, we have to face some struggles. Okay, there is you can suddenly we will not get such kind of clients. Okay, we have to work 2 or 3 years to get some good clients. So in starting early days, 2 or 3 years you can do job. If you're getting opportunities in on campus, that is good. If you're not getting opportunities on campus, so off campus you can find the opportunity. 2 or 3 years you can follow the same strategy. Okay, so yes, and during the articleship, try to learn as much as possible to aspect of cost audit or GST audit. Okay, so first I would like to discuss about the example of CMA Suman Kumar Jha. He is one of my friend and currently who is a practicing cost accountant. Okay, he also applied in campus placement, but unfortunately could not get placed in campus placement. Okay, so he joined Genpact, and 2.5 years he spent in Genpact, and after collecting a huge amount of fund, he has a good confidence. And during the during the Genpact working, apart from part time, also he also worked and collect a 1 or 2 3 client. Okay, so you can also do the same thing. You can collect 1 or 2 3 client. You can do bookkeeping, you can do GSTR filing, you can ITR. These kind of activities you can do in part time and collect a fund, and also continue your job, so that you can collect a good amount. And whenever you are going to leave your job, and now finally you have taken the decision that you are going to start your practicing firm, so you have a huge amount, so that you can face the struggling period of 2 or 3 years, which is a beginning period for every practicing CMA firm. So CMA Suman Kumar Jha spent 2 years in Genpact and collect a huge amount of fund, and finally he started his on practicing firm, and now currently he is very happy with the practicing firm. But yes, starting 1 or 2 year, everyone who are going to start CA firm, CS firm or CA firm need to face the problem. So that is why I'm saying that you need to do, you can see that you can do 2 or 3 year job, collect a fund, and apart from this in part time collect some 1, 2 or 3 client. Okay, and in starting your starting period, you need not to hire any room, or you can say the office where you have to pay 15,000 20,000 as a rent. Apart from this, you the electricity charges. Okay, so you need not to from your house itself you can start, you are starting practicing firm. Okay, one of my friend Ankit Bhauguna is also doing the same. What kind of strategy Ankit Bhauguna started? Ankit Bhauguna is one of my friend who is currently a practicing cost accountant. In his earlier days, he also in campus placement he could not get placed. Okay, so finally he when he could not get placed in campus placement, he started working as a trainee, CMA trainee in one of non practicing firm, where he getting 15,000 20,000 per month. Apart from this, on part time basis, he make a office, you can see that CMA office in his own home, one room one office. Okay, and he collect a client 1 or 2 3 client, bookkeeping, GSTR return, IT, you can say ITR return. So these kind of return from where he getting 15,000 or 20,000 per month, or from articleship, from training articleship 15,000 20,000 he is earning. So you can say 20 or 20 40,000 per month in a struggling period he is earning. So yes, this is a good strategy which is followed by CMA Ankit Bhauguna. Okay, apart from this, one of the strategy you can say that one of my friend CMA Rohit Gupta, whose manager is working in Jubilant Foodwork and earning a huge amount of package. Okay, but after the, you can say that corporate 12 years of corporate life, finally he decided to starting a CA practicing firm. Okay, but he has a huge amount of fund, he can manage 4 or 5 years struggling period. So this kind of strategy you have to follow. Either you can do articleship from any firm where you can get 20,000 per month, so that you can manage your running cost. Apart from this, you need not to on immediately basis, you need not to start a office. Okay, from your home itself you can do the same thing. So these kind of strategy Ankit Bhauguna followed. You can say Ankit Bhauguna followed one of the you can say Jubilant Foodworks manager followed the strategy. Apart from this, Suman Kumar Jha also followed the strategy. Apart from this, the main one of my friend who got placed in campus placement in Accenture, he's hiring a he's earning a good amount of salary. But after the 2 years of corporate life, he finally decided to start his own practicing firm. CMA Ankit Gupta. He is currently started his own practicing firm and earning a good amount. Okay, but in early stages, 2 years, he spent in corporate life and collect a huge amount of fund. And now from his home itself, yet he did not, you can say that, hired a office. He is working from his home, so he is saving 15 or 20,000 office rent. So you can also follow such kind of strategy, hoping that these kind of strategy you like. So in earlier life of your practicing firm, you can collect 2 or 3 client, file the cost audit, GSTR return, bookkeeping work you can do, from where you will earn 20,000, 25,000. Apart from this, you need not to hire a room or office, okay, which you have to pay 20,000, 15,000 in the starting days. From home itself, you have only good command, you have a good laptop or you have a good internet connection, okay. From home itself you can manage your office, okay. But whenever you are getting a good amount, so yes, you can take a small office. So this is the strategy which I can suggest to every qualified CMA. Apart from this, in upcoming time, I will also bring CMA Ankit Bahuguna, CMA Suman Kumar Jha, or CMA Ankit Gupta, so that they can also guide you. Apart from this, you have any doubt, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. From this, apart from this, you can also suggest me on which topic I need to prepare a video, so that this will be beneficial for you. And still you have any doubt and need my guidance, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.